In this tutorial, we will see what GD&T circularity is, the difference between circularity and cylindricity, and how to apply roundness easily in TouchDMIS. In GD&T, circularity, also referred to as roundness, is a form tolerance that controls how closely a circular feature conforms to a true circle at any cross-section. It is evaluated independently at each circular element and does not require a datum reference. Here are some key characteristics of circularity. Controls the roundness of circles on cylinders, cones, spheres, and similar features. The tolerance zone consists of two concentric circles. All measured points of the circular cross-section must lie between them. It is a 2D form control and does not control axis straightness, feature location, orientation, or cylindricity of the entire surface. No datum is used because circularity controls only the feature's shape. However, don't confuse circularity with cylindricity. They are two different controls. Circularity checks whether a feature's cross-section is a perfect circle. It is a 2D form control applied to one slice of the part at a time, while cylindricity checks the entire cylindrical surface at once. It is a 3D form control that combines circularity and straightness, ensuring the feature is not only round but also straight and uniformly cylindrical along its full length. Now, it's time to see how to apply circularity in TouchDMIS. Let's select the feature we want to inspect and evaluate its circularity. Then set the scanning parameters in the CNC measuring settings. Next, in the measuring window, we can define both the diameter and circularity tolerances. You can either choose from a list of standard tolerances or enter custom values manually. Once everything is set, check the parameters and start the measurement. In this case, we're using a scanning probe. However, when working with a touch trigger probe, it's best practice to collect more than the minimum number of points to achieve higher accuracy. After the inspection, the deviation panel visually displays all measured points along with their deviations. You can enhance the view to emphasize variations and easily show minimum and maximum values as well as the full deviation range. Now, let's capture a quick snapshot of our circularity to add to our report. The snapshot and tolerance results are automatically added to the report. Thanks for watching. Check out our page for more tutorials.